Okay. My name is Brandon Gurmis. I work in Jeep product marketing, and behind me is the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. And this actually has a really cool new feature. It's our Sky One Touch Power Top, and it allows you to experience open air freedom with just a simple push of a button. And I can do a demonstration right now.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply press this button right up above the rearview mirror. And just like that, the entire center section of the top retracts back and you've got open air freedom. So very nice, very convenient. And then if a rainstorm pops up, I can just simply push the button and then I'm totally warm and dry. And that's the Sky One Touch Power Top on the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Okay. One other feature of the Sky One Touch Power Top is these rear quarter windows are fully removable. So there are two latches at the top of this panel, very similar to the latches to take out the Freedom panels on the hardtop. Simply undo those. And the whole window pops out. So you can imagine when the doors are off, when the roof is open, and these rear quarter windows are out, tons and tons of just open air, sunlight streaming in. Great for a summer day.
Excellent feature. Would you put them together? So only those two latches and that's
Only
it?
two latches, the whole window pops out, and you can also do it on the other side too.
And that feature is available only on Sahara?
It's only on the Sky One Touch Power Top. And the Power Top is available on the Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon and the Wrangler Unlimited Sahara.